Christmas time is coming up and I'm going to have to wrap so many presents. The function that represents the amount of presents that I'm going to make each hour is x squared minus 2. When you find the average value of something, you take the total sum of what you have and you divide it by the amount of numbers. So, for an integral, it's essentially the same thing. You'll take your total and you'll divide it by your number of intervals. The average value of a function is related to the mean value theorem for integrals, which is a continuous function on a closed interval has at least one point where it is equal to its average value on that interval. In my case, the interval is 1 to 4 because I was wrapping presents from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So, to find the average value of this function, I would plug those numbers into the formula. The formula for average value is 1 over b minus a times the integral from a to b of f of x d of x. So to plug those numbers in, I would do 1 over 4 minus 1 from 1 to 4 of x squared minus 2 dx. 1 over 4 minus 1 is 1/3. And then once I integrate x squared minus 2, I get x to the third over 3 minus 2x. And that's from 1 to 4. So first, I want to find my total amount of presents that I was wrapping. So I will plug 4 in first, and I'll get 4 to the third over 3 minus 2 times 4. Minus, then I'll plug the 1 in, so I'll get 1 to the third over 3 minus 2 times 1. When I simplify that, I get 64, which is 4 to the third over 3, minus 8, which is 2 times 4, minus 1/3 minus 2. Then I want to get a common denominator so I can subtract easily. So I'll have 64 minus 24 over 3 minus 1/3 minus 6/3. So I end up with 40/3 minus a negative 5/3, so it's addition, which is 45/3, which is 15 total presents. But we're not just finding the sum, we're finding the average. So I want to divide it by my interval, which is 3. And I will get 15 divided by 3, which is 5 presents, which is the average value of the function.